Alright, I just about got this one set up. Got the faucet down nice and tight. I do have to bolt this down, but I'm going to wait because I have to drill a hole for the dishwasher that goes here. Okay, so the garbage disposal vascular strainer is in. This vascular strainer is in. See a bit of work that I have to do under here now. So, I'm waiting on a part. Right now, it's supposed to be delivered soon. They hook the garbage disposal up, and also to do the water lines. So, once I get that, now while I'm at a hold up, I'm gonna do this one here. This one has to be done as well. So this seems like this water heater is got an expansion tank on it and the gas on it, but this one may be changed as well. Let's start over here on this kitchen here. Yeah, it's pretty dark over here. Let's see if I can get a little light. There we go. Same thing here. Set it up and get it down. Get it bolted down and get ready. Put some actually back material that we have to get. We're missing the drains or the traps for the kitchen sinks. So they must be back ordered, or they didn't have enough, so they had to order some more. But the point is to get it ready for those. So I'm kind of working on them both simultaneously. Just about, or, you know, back and forth. Let's take a look back here. Oh yeah, this is ready for the sink here. You still have to do the floors. Oh, I have some drywall to do in here as well. Okay. That's how it looks in that wall. Yes, let's see. All the way out. There must be the toilet for upstairs. Right behind there. Maybe a toilet for upstairs. Sitting on a T, looks like a T there. And we have to get a shower head out of there and bring it out before they close it up. There's a tub for upstairs. Okay, so yeah, at least they covered it. That's good. Okay, so with that being said, I'll keep working, but I just wanted to stop and show progress of what's going on. Let's see if they looks like they possibly have done this furnace, but it's not a new one. They may have to switch it out, or they may leave it. See if they look good enough, they leave them. But that one may be taken out. I'm not sure. But we'll go ahead and get back to work. So with that being said, I say shalom until the next time.